Did you ever felt the urge to make a mouth-watering pasta dish or a salad, but with minimum effort? Then check this out. Today, we'll make an amazing red pesto. Making a pesto is maybe one of the simplest things to do. There's only one important thing you need to keep in mind. Use the best quality ingredients you can. We start by crushing some garlic. For the exact amount, check the description below. We continue by crushing some pine nuts. We add a touch of extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt. When we get an almost creamy texture, we proceed by slicing the sun-dried tomatoes in smaller chunks. This just simply helps us to crush them easier. We will add some roasted red peppers. You can buy them like this, but if you want you can roast them yourself. We crush it until we get a nice smooth consistency. We add the fresh basil, be generous with it, a touch of olive oil, some ground black pepper and a good amount of grated Parmesan. We crush it further until we get the consistency we want, and we are done. We made it the classic way, with pestle and mortar. But you can use a food processor, and it is done in seconds. If you enjoyed our video, then please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And stay with us, because we end this video with an awesome B-roll to give you an idea what to make with this amazing red pesto.
Wow.